Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Pinokio AI, an AI tool that promises to help you generate content faster and smarter. If you've ever wondered whether it can actually save time or improve your workflow, this review is for you. What it is: Pinokio AI is a content creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to help users write articles, social media posts, and other text-based content. Its main goal is to make the content creation process faster, reduce writer's block, and provide ideas or drafts that you can build on. How it works: once you sign up, you can choose a template for your content type, enter a few keywords or instructions, and the AI generates text within seconds. You can edit, refine, or expand on the content right inside the platform. It also includes tools like grammar checks, tone adjustment, and suggestions to make your writing more engaging. Who it's for: Pinokio AI is ideal for bloggers, social media managers, small business owners, and anyone who needs to produce content quickly without hiring a full team of writers. What people are saying: many users love how fast it generates content and appreciate the variety of templates. Some mention that the AI occasionally produces generic text that needs extra editing. Pros: speeds up content creation, easy-to-use interface with templates, helps reduce writer's block and generate ideas. Cons: generated content may need refinement, some templates can feel repetitive, free plans have limited features. So, here's my recommendation. If you're looking to save time and get a head start on writing tasks, Pinokio AI is a helpful tool. Just be prepared to tweak the output for a personal touch. So, that's it for the Pinokio AI review. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.